Hey guys, it's Jasmine here and I'm back with another video for you guys. I feel like I'm a little bit far away, but I'm sorry. Y'all, I just ate some Doritos and your girl's breath is stinking. Anyways, I'm here with another video. I'm here with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my current favorites. Pretty much most of them are beauty related, just some of the makeup products that I've been loving recently. They can be old products, they can be newer products, but just the stuff that I've been gravitating towards lately. Then I have one item that's not really beauty, but I've been loving them, so I'm gonna show you guys, and it's cheaper than another thing that people get, I think. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I haven't done one of these videos in a while, so I figured that I would record one today and show you guys my favorites because you guys used to like these videos. So I'm gonna try to do them again. And my dog is going crazy over there. No, get down and get it. Get down. You gotta get it because I'm not getting it. Get it. Every time he drops something, he thinks I'm gonna get it. He just jumped down. Like, boy, bye. But anyways, yeah, so let's just get right into the video. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm, I'm not being sponsored, by the way. They did send me this box, but I mean, I've been getting BoxyCharm boxes for like over 2 years or 3 years now. But recently, like, they have been stepping their game up. Like, I promise you, like, the stuff that be coming in these boxes nowadays are popping. Like, I can't even believe it. Honestly, like, some of the products that I buy myself are in here. Like, one time they were like Cover FX shimmer drops, and I had just bought some through like the sale. Like, they are popping. Things like House of Lashes been in here. Kat Von D liquid lipstick. Like, they have really been stepping up. This is the December box, I believe. I don't know, I'm pretty sure this is the December box. And this time we got a Pretty Vulgar powder in here, which is like bomb. Pretty Vulgar is like a cosmetic company that I've been liking a lot. It's called the Powder Room, the Matte About It translucent powder. I haven't tried this yet, so I don't know if it'll work for my skin tone. Then I have a Bodyography Barely There lip pencil. Then they gave us a little, it's called a PYT, that's the brand, mini flat iron. Like, say what? And then they give us a Tarte's shimmering lip paint, which is pretty awesome, and this is in the color Striped Gold. And then they gave a Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. So I mean, they've been coming up, honestly. Like, I've actually been enjoying these boxes, and I haven't really been talking about them much because I had lost interest for a while, but now they're truly stepping back up. Like, they are popping. And like, all of this stuff, like the mini straightener was $75, the charcoal mask is $30, the Tarte lip gloss is $20, the lip liner is $12, and the Pretty Vulgar powder is $32. And I think this box is like $30 or less. So y'all need to get on BoxyCharm. Honestly, if you're starting off on makeup, or you just like makeup, or you like beauty products, it's a great thing for you. I'll leave my little link down below so you guys can sign up. No, it's not like you don't have to sign up through that link, but if you do sign up through that link, I do get like some bit of compensation or whatever. But I mean, I don't truly care, honestly. You can use the link. If you do, thank you, girl. If you don't, still get your BoxyCharm, okay? So the next thing is what I have on my lips now, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the color Sepia. This has been my jam for a long time, and recently I've just got back into it because I ordered one during the VIB sale from Sephora, and now it's my new favorite thing again, and I freaking love this lip gloss. This will always be my favorite lip gloss. I ordered this for my birthday, and I love it. Like, it's just the perfect glossy lip for women of color. The next thing I pull out of my little box that I put together is this perfume from Victoria's Secret. This is the Love Star version. They do have just a regular Love, but they just recently came out with Love Star. And when I tell you that I love this perfume, like, I love this. It smells so good. Like, I drowned myself in this perfume for my birthday over the weekend. If you guys don't follow me over the weekend, my birthday was just December 3rd, and I celebrated the previous weekend. And you guys saw my pictures on Instagram. If you follow me, if you don't, you need to follow me at @amore_Jazmine so you can keep up to date with all my pictures and stuff. But everybody was like, oh my god, you smell so good. Like, this is so cute, and the packaging is cute. I love a good bottle of perfume. Like, there is my jam, honestly. Like, this smells so good. And it has a pretty good lasting power. Like, I have a ton of Victoria's Secret perfumes, like, not like the body sprays. I mean, I do have a ton of those, but body sprays and perfumes are different. Body sprays don't last as long as perfumes do. Of course, that's why it's more expensive. But this Love Star is bomb. It's like a, I don't know, like a fresh florally kind of perfume. That's my jam. Like, I don't like musky perfumes. I like fresh floral stuff like that. Like, that's me. Okay, so the next thing, this is like the product that is in our beauty product, but these are the Motorola Verve earbuds. They're supposed to be like a mimic or like the AirPods from Apple, but these, I think the Apple earbuds or AirPods are $179, I think, and these are only $99, and they do exactly the same thing. They're super cute, and I probably have makeup on these, but they are truly, like, I love them. So of course they come with this little charging case. That's what this is, and that's where you just store them always. And then it comes with like 5 or 6 different little buds that you can change so that it fits your ear perfectly, like these little squishy things. I love these. Definitely worth it. These are like bigger, like the actual ear parts. They're bigger than like the Apple ones, but I mean, I don't mind it. Like, the Apple ones are really sleek. These are not as sleek, but for $80 cheaper, I'll take it. Honestly, I will take it. These have been a lifesaver. Like, they just work better. Like, they're just so much better than regular earbuds. Like, I don't know, but I love them, and they're loud. Like, if I have both of these in my ear and I'm playing music and I actually have it up, like, I'm not hearing nothing, like nothing at all. So yeah, my camera went dead, sorry guys. So I feel like I'm probably a little further than I was. I'm sorry. The bad thing about recording on this this camera is that it gets hot so quick, like my vlogging camera, because of the ring light, I guess. What is this? The Sony A5100. Like, I really need to hurry up and get a new like big camera, because I can't, but I just cannot afford to pay like $900 on a camera right now. And because if I get a camera, I'm gonna get the camera that I want instead of one that's cheaper, because I could get like the T4i or something, but I would prefer to get like the Canon T7i or 70D. Ugh, why is stuff so expensive? But anyways, yeah, so back into the video. My next favorite is, this is like my baby. Like, this foundation here, like, I've heard so many mixed reviews on this, but this foundation right here, like, this is my true baby currently. Like, this is my favorite foundation, and it looks so baby small, but you actually get more foundation than most. You get 1.8 fluid ounces, and normally most foundations is just like 1 ounce. But this foundation right here is bomb. Okay, maybe I should tell you guys what it is. It's the Cover Up X Power Play Foundation, and I have the color G90. Thank you, Cover Up X. Again, I keep saying on my birthday, but I wore this on my birthday. If I wear something on my birthday or for a special occasion, you know I like it, because like, I gotta be looking popping. So yeah, this foundation is like my everything. It keeps me matter for longer than most foundations. Like I can never go without getting oily, like ever. Like I usually get oily within like 2-3 hours. This gives me a little bit more, like a little bit more time, but even after it gets oily, like it still just looks so good. And then when I blot, it's like I just put it back on. Like it has a great longevity, like it has great wear. Like this is my new baby. The next thing are, oh shoot, powder's coming out, is the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the medium deep shade. Laura, you were like, that was the smartest thing for you to do, was to come out with a darker shade. Like even before the darker shade, I love the just original translucent powder from Laura Mercier, but now that she has the medium deep, this is like a game changer for me. Like sometimes, like in photos when I used to use the other one, just my concealer, sometimes when I took pictures with flash, I would have like that, like, you know, powdery looking under my eyes. But with this, it don't matter how light I use, how much lighter, what am I trying to say? It doesn't matter like how light my concealer is. Like if I put this on top and I take a flash photo, I'm still in the game. Like I'm not looking casket ready. This is bomb. This is like my second one of these big ones because I love it so much. Like I literally use this to set my entire face now. Like I don't use another powder. This is bomb. This is like my second big one. Then I bought this little one, which I just refill here and there if I need it for travel or something. The next thing is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, and this is for hydrating and soothing. Even though I have oily skin, I still like to hydrate my skin just because your skin needs hydration. And when your skin feels like it's, what can I say, like dry, or it's not getting the moisture that it actually needs, it's gonna produce more oils because it's trying to overcompensate for your skin being dry. I know that's weird to think about, but you can have oily skin that needs moisture. Anyways, so I ended up getting this. If you guys saw my Sephora VIB sale haul, I got this in like a kit, but then I ended up going to get more because I like them. And then my friend Lisa, she just knows me so well, she got me this as one of my little birthday gifts in my little Sephora bag because she got me a Sephora gift card and some goodies from Sephora. So she got me another one of these, so I'm super happy because I freaking love this little mask. It just makes my skin feel like plump and just brighter. Like it just feels refreshed. I don't know, but I love this. The next thing is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is the concealer that I have been using for my under eyes recently, and I freaking love it. I apply this under my eyes and I let it sit for like 30 seconds to a minute so that it dries. It kind of gets like thicker and it just gives you more coverage when it dries, and it's bomb, and it stays in like that place and doesn't like spread all over when you're trying to blend it out. And I have the color Butterscotch, and this is like my new jam. The next thing are these tweezers. I know that's kind of weird. I think you guys can see, but they're tweezers from a place called Farrah Brushes, I think. Yeah, something like that, but it's F.A.R.A.H. I mean, wait, I'll put it on the screen. Okay, there you go. But it's just these tweezers. I looked online and they do come in like different colors, but this is the color. I got these in actually a BoxyCharm box, BoxyCharm. But these are the best tweezers that I have ever used. Like seriously, they are bomb. Like it has this like thicker side, and then it has a more pointy side, and I use these to both pluck my eyebrows and to put on my lashes, and they work amazing for both. Like they're just great sturdy lashes that can get hairs. Like, you know, some tweezers don't have that good grip, so the hairs just slip right out. You're gonna get that hair with these, I promise you. Okay, I'm getting to the last few things. So this one is the Pretty Vulgar ink liner. I mean, it's called the ink liner, and this is the color Blacklist, and it's a gel liner. I have been using this non-stop since I got it. It works amazing. I was using the NYX matte liner, which is a liquid liner. This is the cream. I just use like a little small tapered brush to apply this, and I love it. It's seriously like my favorite. Once you put this on and it dries, it's not moving until you use a makeup remover wipe or makeup some kind of oil, some type of makeup wipe or something like that is not coming off, and it's matte. I hate a shiny eyeliner. I like my eyeliner to be matte, and this is that. So the last things are from the Desi and Katie Dose of Colors collaboration. So here I have the Friendcation palette, which I do have on my eyes now, but it's just a super simple eye look. And these are the shades. Super pretty eyeshadow palette, like it's pretty bomb. Love this. I've been using this a ton. I use this for my birthday makeup. I'm gonna do a tutorial on my birthday eyeshadow. I use this little green color here. You guys can't see, but I'll do a makeup tutorial on what I did. Everybody loved my makeup at my birthday. Everyone was like, who did your makeup? I'm like, me, of course. Duh. Anyways, and then I have one of the highlighters, which is, this is the newer one, and this is the Chasing the Sun, and I do have that on today. It's so pretty. Ooh. So I have that, and then I do have 2 of the lip products as well that I've been loving. I still have these in the package. I don't know why I just put these back in the package, but I have the lip gloss, and this is the one that they came out before, but they re-released it with when they did the Friendcation palette, and this is the color Over the Top. They do have one called High Key or something, I don't know, but it's like a white shimmer, whereas this one is a gold shimmer. I love this gloss. Like, this is up there with like the Rihanna Gloss Bomb. Love it. And I cannot wait to get the new Rihanna Gloss Bomb, and I think it's called Fussy. It's like a dusty pink. Who not getting it on December 7th? And then I have one of the, what is this called again? Liquid Velvet, and this is just like a liquid lipstick. I love the packaging. I love the packaging that they went with this with their collection with them. So pretty. It's kind of like the Kim Kardashian like colors, but I feel like their collection, their first collaboration with Dose of Colors came out before Kim K's products beauty line, didn't it? I think, I don't know, but regardless, it's cute. So this was just a liquid lipstick. This is in the color My Main, and I do, when I wear this, wear a lip liner, but I don't know if you guys can see. So yeah, those are all of my favorites. By the way, I love Desi and Katie. Anyways, yeah, so that was my current favorites, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please tell me some of your favorites or some of the products that I should try down below. I would truly enjoy some recommendations. And yeah, tell me some things. Just tell me some things, okay? I want to know. I want to know some products that I should try and products you guys want to see videos on, so I can keep pumping out the videos and give you guys great content on things you actually want to see and not stuff that you don't watch, because some of my videos get more views than others, and I just don't know what y'all got. I don't know what you guys want to see. So tell me, please. Except skincare routines, because I don't have a skincare routine, guys. I don't have anything that I just do. So yeah, so anyways, that's the end of this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel or you just haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join the Bella Squad. Also, turn on that notification bell, hit that bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a video, so you never miss one from me, and I would truly appreciate it. And share my videos so that we can reach more people. So yeah, that's all, guys. Thanks so much. Bye. Hey guys! That's my auntie Rao. Anyways, happy Thanksgiving. So I'm at my aunt's house and we're currently waiting for the food to finish. Oh, Sydney! I was just like, where's Sydney?